What's happening, YouTube? It's That Slow Silverado, and, well, what this video was going to be, it was going to be a compilation of various engines, various exhausts, stuff like that. And, well, I was editing the video today. I fumbled the phone in my hand after I had all the files moved over into or all the videos moved over into a file. Fumbled the phone and caught it, and there was like a flash on the screen and it said file deleted and it was gone. I looked through my memory and the file that I put everything in is gone completely. And there were about 20 of them, ranging from one of Ken Lingenfelter's Corvette to a 2015 Mustang with a Corsa exhaust on it, to a Cummins diesel, to a ES44DZ diesel electric locomotive. So I'm kind of mildly disappointed in myself, but hey, you can only do so much. So basically, I only have 3 surviving videos, and the only reason they're there is because they were on my GoPro. And it's all V6s. It's my truck and my friend's Genesis. It's my truck when it was going through the stages of exhaust and various other things. So, yeah, that's very unfortunate. So, yeah, I guess I could turn this into an update, because, well, hell, it's New Year's. It's New Year's Eve, so I can make it on what I'm going to do for 2017. Well, alright. Um, International Auto Show, that's one thing, so you can look forward to that. Autorama, that's another one. Baseline Rally, I believe, is doing a winter run, so that could be something. And there's always going to be the Lingenfelter Cars and Coffee and Baker's Cruise and various other ones that I go to. But I might try and do a couple smaller ones, like Poor Guys Car Meet, and because they're a really great group of guys, bunch of high school kids, college kids with, I wouldn't say crappy cars, unique cars. Well, not really. Yeah, unique daily drivers. Let's go with that. A lot of Grand Marquis, a lot of trucks. Really, really sweet group of guys. And I'll probably do a lot more videotaping of their stuff, and might do some more personal stuff. I don't know. Um, I do have a Battlefield Funny Moments one coming out soon. It's done. I'm just too lazy to post it right now because I don't have a thumbnail for it. um, I will have a Forza video, which is like an ongoing project. It's just essentially a video of me and my friends just drifting and doing stupid shit in Forza Horizon. What else? What else? What else? I think that's it. That's all I can think of. So I'll let you enjoy the 45 seconds of, well, a truck and a Japanese sports car, and I'll let you enjoy the rest of your New Year's, or, well, not your New Year's, I don't know what day you're viewing this. I'll let you enjoy the rest of your day, so thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you all in the next video.